I'm Hannah.
And I'm Karen, and we're going to show you
how to do makeup.
First, we have to start with cleansing our face. Make sure it's really clean.
So, sometimes you might want to get the neck too, also. Okay. So, first,
Let's start with the lips.
okay.
Well, I like this color. It's this color.
I don't like this color, but I'm stuck with it. So now just
go nice and slow. Take your time.
Go slow. Don't rush.
Use a lot of coats, so make sure your lips stand out in the crowd.
Yeah. Make sure you can see them from like a mile away.
Right. Oh yeah.
There we go.
That's how it's supposed to look. I like to add some sparkles too.
I'll get the good color.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's totally beautiful.
Oh.
Now, we're going to start with eyeliner. Now, one of our favorites is black, because, black goes with everything. Oh, dang, oh my god, we look cute.
Oh, yeah. I like to use colors like black, because it says I'm a whore. I'll just sure there's enough for everything. Okay. Make sure it's in there. Real good.
Okay.
Here we go.
Now, lots of us like to use this thing called mascara. Okay. Now, put that on good. Yeah, right there. Oh. Sometimes you might want to get the eyebrows too. Yeah. Here you go, my friend.
Mascara. This is something that I use a lot. Oh yeah. Make sure you get all the eyelashes. Make sure you get the eyebrows. Make sure they're nice and dark, nice and full, nice and beautiful.
Yeah, just a little close there. Show you how.
Don't forget the whiskers.
How to do that.
Some girls like me have them. You want to make them stand out. There we go.
Okay, now, after you're all done with getting perfect, how hard that is. Okay, you're gonna have a bottle, and we need to wash up. Just keep squirting yourself till this video's done. Please subscribe to our channel.